Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we started exercise 10.3 and completed question up to example 9. Okay, today we will start with example 10. So example 10 is by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. This kind of example can be asked for MCQ also or also in a question. So figure is given, you need to divide it into rectangles or square. And then you need to find area of this shape, because you can see there is no equation for this kind of shape. But we know we will convert this into known shape, that is rectangle, area of a triangle. But we know two equations, that are area of a rectangle and area of a square. So we divide this figure into squares and rectangle and then we add that area. So let's try to divide this. If we divide this, all measurements are in centimeter. So if this side is 3 centimeter, this side is 3 centimeter, so this is also 3 centimeter. This whole length is 4 centimeter, and from that this length is 3. From this 4, this much length is 3. Why? Because this side is equal to this side. So this is what? 1 centimeter. 3 plus 1, total 4. Because total length is 4. Now we divide it into this rectangle. So this is of 1 meter to 1 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Now let's divide this one. This is another rectangle. So this length is 3 and this is 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 3 multiply 3. This is 2 multiply 1. This is 3 multiply. Now find this length. So this total length is 4 and from that this much is 2. So this is also 2 and this is 3. So 2 multiply. Clear? Again you can divide it into another shape of rectangle and square, then it is also correct. Now find, let's consider this as the R1. This is R2, R3 and R4. So area of figure, that is addition of all parts, R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So what is area of R1? That is 3 multiply 3 plus. What is area of R2? That is 1 multiply 2. Area of this figure, that is 3 multiply 3. And area of this rectangle, that is 2 multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 6, that is 26 square centimeter. Okay? You can divide it into another way, that it is also correct if you divide it into like this rectangle, this is one more rectangle and this is one more rectangle. Then it is also give the correct answer. Clear? Now for next figure. So this figure is given, measurements are also given, so we will divide it into this one rectangle, this is second rectangle. Now we need length and breadth. Let's consider this is R1, R2 and R3. Now to find the rectangle we need length and breadth. So this is length 3 and this is breadth 1. So 3 multiply 1, that is area of this R2. Now for this one, this is 1. Whatever length of this side, it is same on this side. So 1 multiply 3. Now this part is 1 meter, this 1 centimeter, this part is 1 centimeter. So this is what? 3 centimeter. So this length is 3 centimeter and what will be this length? So we need to find this length. You can see this part is 2 centimeter and this whole length is 3 centimeter. So what will be this length? This is 1 centimeter. So area will be 3 multiply 1. This whole length is 3 and from that this is 2 centimeter. So this part is of 1 centimeter. So we get this length. So area of figure, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now for R1 it is 3 multiply 1 plus for R2 it is 3 multiply 1 and for this it is also 3 multiply 1. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 square centimeter. Clear? You can also divide it this way, then it is also correct. If you divide this figure and these three rectangles R1, R2 and R3, then it is also correct. This length is 1, this will be 5, this will be 2 because this length is 2 meter, and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 1. So 2 multiplied 1, that is 2 centimeter square. This is also 2 centimeter square and this is 5 centimeters square. So 5 plus 2 plus 2, that is again 9. So you can divide it anywhere. Split the following shape into rectangles and find their areas. The measurements are given in a centimeter. Again, this is same as the previous one. So figure are given, you need to divide into rectangle and square, and you need to find the area by adding the area of different parts. So here first figure, this whole length is 12 and from that this part is 10, means this much length is 10. So we divide it in the first rectangle R1 and R2. So for R1, length is 10 and breadth will be 2. So 10 multiplied 2. For this rectangle, this length is 10 and this breadth is 2. So it is again 10 multiplied 2. So area of figure, that is R1 plus R2. R1 will be 10 multiplied 2 and R2 will be 10 multiplied 2. That is 20 plus 20. It is 40 square centimeter. Clear? Now next one, this figure is given and we need to find area. Now we divide it into square. So this side is 7, this side is 7. So this is square 1, this is S2, S3, S4 and this is also S5 because this side is 7, this side is also 7. So area of figure, that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. So for S1 it is 7 multiplied 7 plus 7 multiplied 7 plus 7 multiplied 7 plus 7 multiplied 7 plus 7 multiplied 7. So it is 49 plus 49 plus 49 plus 49 plus 49, 5 times. 245 square centimeter. So that is area of this figure. Clear? Now next one, this figure is given. So this whole length is 5 and from that this part is 2 and this part is 2. So this is what 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is 5. So that's why we divide this into 1. This length is of 1 centimeter and this length is of 4 centimeter. It is also written 1 centimeter. So here R1, R2. Area of figure R1 plus R2. Now for R1, length is 4 and breadth is 1. So 4 multiply 1. For next, it is 5 and 1. 4 plus 5, that is 9 square centimeter. So that is area of this. Now next example, how many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively for first 100 cm and 144 cm and for second it is 70 cm and 36 cm. So what is the question? Here the measurements of tiles are given, measurement of room is given, region is given, and you need to find how many tiles are needed. So first, this kind of question we already saw. So first we will find area of region, then we will find area of one tiles, and number of tiles is equal to divided by area of one tiles. Clear? So let's find area of region, that is L multiplied B. For region it is 100 centimeter length and 144 centimeter breadth. So it is 14400 square centimeter. Now we will find area of tiles, that is again length multiply breadth, but for tiles it is 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So 60 square centimeter. So number of tiles is equal to area of region divide area of tile. So here area of region is 1400 divided by 60. So divide 1440 by 6. 12 multiply 10 and 6, 240 tiles. So that is what number of tiles for this region, for which length is 100 meter and breadth is 144, is 240 number of tiles. Length is 70 centimeter and breadth is 36 centimeter. So again we find the area of region. That is L multiplied B. Now for here it is 70 multiplied 36. So multiply 36 with 70. 2520 square centimeter area of tiles. Because its measurement of tiles are same, so area of tiles is again 60 square centimeter. That we already find in the first part. So number of tiles will be area of region divide area of. So area of region for this it is 2520 divided by 60. So it is 42. So number of tiles is 42 when region is 70 centimeter long and 36 centimeter wide. Now let's take two extra examples. So here one side of square plot is 250 meter. Find the cost of labeling it at the rate of 2 rupees per square meter. Cost we need to find for 1 meter square, it is 2 rupees. Now it is a square plot whose side is 250 meters. So we can find the area of a square plot by multiplying 250 with 250. So area of square plot, that is what side multiply side. Side is 250. Now multiply 250 with 250, it is 62500 square meter. The rate is 2 rupees per square. So we can find cost of leveling for 1 square meter is 2 rupees. So cost for square meter is how much? Now multiplying 62500 with 2, cross multiplication. So it is 1,25,000, that is cost of leveling for the A. Now next question, a marble tile measure 10 cover a wall of a size 3 meter 4 cm. Also find the total cost of tiles at the rate of rupees 2 per tile. Rupees 2 per tile means cost for one tile is 2 rupees. We need to find number of tiles. So here 8 measurements of tiles are given, that is 10 cm and 12 cm. So we can write area of tile, that is length multiplied breadth. That is 10 multiplied 12, it is 120 square centimeter. Here, these units are in a meter, so we will convert these measurements into centimeter. Why? Because this is in a square centimeter. That's why, let's find length of wall. That is what? 3 meter. Because all unit must be in a same. So it is 300 centimeter. Width of wall, that is 4 meter. So it is 400 centimeter. Now we will find area of wall. That is length multiplied breadth. So it is 300 multiplied 400 square centimeter. Now we will find number of tiles. How can we find number of tiles? We already saw this kind of example. So that is area of wall divide area of tile. From that we can get the number of tiles. Area of wall is 1,20,000 and area of tile is 120. So it is thousands. Number of tiles is what? 1000. Now cost for one tile is 2 rupees. So we can find the total cost. Cost for one tile is 2 rupees. So cost for 1000 tiles is what? 1000 multiplied 2, that is rupees 2000. If cost for one tile is 2 rupees, then cost for 1000 it is 2000. So that is total cost for